What's up, DOE fam? I'm Tuda Baby, and this is DIY Online Entrepreneur. Today, I'm showing y'all exactly how I turn my shed into the Tuda TV production studio that you see right behind me. That's where I do my content creation, my YouTube, and my game developing, where I create my cartoon animations, all of the above. I do a lot of filming in here. So today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can turn your shed into a production studio or whatever kind of studio that you would need. You're going to want to see this. Stay tuned. Let's get into the video. I'm back vlogging. Today we finna go to Home Depot and stuff and get some stuff we need to rebuild the Tuda TV production studio. And after that, we're gonna do a video where we turning a U-Haul into the Toon Space mobile stove. So y'all just roll with us and stay tuned. Got my boy Big Deuce on the cam for sure. The AC went out on us not too long ago in the U-Haul. It hot in it bit.
Got tired and went on flat. Trying to move around. But hey, when you trying to get what you want, you gotta work for what you want. I guess this the groundwork we putting in right now, you know.
Hey, it's funky in a bit with the dump. That boy, Big Deuce. I never smelled nothing like this before in my life. This bitch so funky. I never smelled the smell like this before. So where do we go? Oh, we go where they at?
Mm-hmm. I told him.
Oh my God.
You thought it was a game?
My God.
He really thought it was a game. He thought it was a game. Boy, you really thought it was a game, boy? This is not a game. This is not a game. No, this is not a game. You thought it was a game, fam?
This stuff.
Oh!
Oh my God.
Oh!
I gotta stop opening my mouth in a minute.
He about to throw up. I told him when he got up here, I told him, talking about, oh! That bitch stank.
So funky out here, bro. Like, I never smelled nothing smell like this in my life. Look at this. Look at the land, bro. We finna hurry up and dump this out the truck. It's too funky for us to be filming this, so we just gonna hurry up and get this over and we gonna catch y'all later. We just finished dumping all the shit out the back of the U-Haul. Now we gotta go to Home Depot and pick up the supplies so we can put the walls and the paint in the shed.
Tired, bro. Hey, Jack. I am tired. It's hot, funky. You heard me? Hey. Oh, everything. He's wet.
I'm at Home Depot now, finna get the supplies. But yeah, we finna get the I'm finna get the materials that we need and stuff. My cousin Deedon told me everything I need to get, and I'm picking up the order now. You see I'm in the U-Haul. Straight up. Stay tuned. It's hot as because the AC just went out in the U-Haul. I just got the supplies we need though. Now I'm finna go by my cousin's house, grab some more stuff, and then we gon' get started later on when the sun go down. I forgot to get some more fuses for my heat press when I was at Home Depot. back vlogging. Some on my lens. What's going on with that? So I got all my materials to build my To The TV production studio. Now I'm measuring the 2x4s so I can get ready to saw them, and then I'm gonna put the studs in, and then we're gonna line up the insulation, then the sheetrock, then the paint, then the floor. So I'm about to get started. I always used to build like clubhouses and tree houses and stuff when I was little, but I ain't never do it the right way. I just freestyled. It's my first time doing it the right way. Gotta get my shades. Alright, so I got my shades. Now I'm finna attempt to cut this 2x4. I ain't never used this saw before. Like that's it right there. I think that's it right there. There's one of them. It was successful. Finna make sure the stud fit. Okay. I see how this goes. Alright. So the stud ended up being a little bit too short. The blade cut a little bit off of it, so I need to go down further. I thought I was down further enough. Last time I was working, the camera died on me. But anyway, I'm finna go and screw these 2x4s in. We'll drill them in for the framing. And then after that, we gonna lay the insulation. So let's get to it. So I got the framing practically done. Just one more piece over here. But I'm about to take me a break, give me something to eat. I ain't ate nothing today. It's probably about 2 o'clock, but this what I got. Yeah. That's kind of tough doing it by yourself. Let me get this done. I'm gonna take me a shower, give me something to eat, and come back out here and do the installation. I'll probably just do the sheetrock tomorrow, sheetrock and paint tomorrow, and yeah, just do the installation today. But appreciate y'all for tuning in to the TV. We're gonna be back later, stay tuned. I'm still in here working, I'm putting up the insulation now. I'm tired in the mud. That heat and draining. Then everything take 3 times longer when you're doing it by yourself. Alright, so I finished doing all the insulation. I'm finna do the sheetrock now. Put the walls up. I'm finna show y'all what the insulation look like. Yeah. Keep it cool and keep it warm when I got the heat on. Yep, we getting it done. So keep watching. Now I'm about to do the sheetrock to the TV. To the TV. To the TV. To the TV. To the nope. To the TV. Nope. Ah! Nah. I like the new Tutor fade, dog. Just got touched up by Snell, Bomb Life Barber on Instagram. Go get your cut by him. And so I'm back. I'm doing the sheetrock. See how I did that. Putting the walls up, man, you know. Appreciate everybody that's still watching. Trying to see the finished product. Need y'all to subscribe. Subscribe to my YouTube if you ain't subscribed yet. Comment what color y'all think I should paint it. I already got my painted, but comment what color y'all think I should paint it. I'm thinking like a gaming color. Like what y'all think? But yeah, I'm finna get back started on drilling the sheetrock. Keep going out of focus. Focus on me, baby. There we go. There we go. You know, type. What y'all think about my beard? Comment what you think about my beard. What's some products y'all use on y'all beard? Alright, so as you can see, I'm doing the sheetrock. I just set this up here. I'm finna drill it in the wall on the studs. I just got a few more little half sheets to do, and I'll be done with the sheetrock and the walls. All I gotta do is paint after this. Hey, I'm finna put some of the mud on the sheetrock seams, then put the tape over, then put another coat of the mud on there. I done got the sheetrock up. I'm waiting for the electrician to come put another plug and a bigger break in here. And if y'all keep seeing me changing clothes and stuff, it might be the next day, or I might have went in the house and took a shower or something. But yeah, as you can see, I'm getting it done though. I had already did a coat of the mud yesterday, but I didn't know, well, I forgot that I needed to put the tape over it after I did that first coat of mud so the tape would stick. So now I gotta basically do that again today and then do it the right way. So yeah, we getting it done though. Appreciate y'all for watching To The TV. Whoa, so it's nighttime now, but I got everything done, got my stuff moved in. So I'm finna show y'all what it look like. Got my print station. Got more stuff I'm gonna put up in here, but I'm done for now. So appreciate y'all for tuning in, watching this Tutor TV. I'm trying to drop more videos on my YouTube. Leave a comment on what type of videos y'all want me to do. Subscribe, turn on that bell. I'm definitely gonna be dropping more videos now that I got the production studio straight. So y'all be on the lookout. Tutor TV. Y'all. Okay, so that was how I turned my shed into my Tutor TV production studio. If you have any more questions, if I missed anything, just leave it in the comments and I'm gonna get right back to you. Do me a favor, hit that like button for me and subscribe if you haven't already and turn on post notifications. This is DIY Online Entrepreneur.